Welcome to our channel. Verifying your Binance account unlocks higher withdrawal limits and full trading features. Follow these essential steps carefully. Step 1. Log into your Binance account using your registered email and password. Enable two-factor authentication first. Step 2. Click on your profile icon and select Identification or go to the Verification Center from your dashboard. Step 3. Choose your country of residence. This determines which documents are acceptable for verification. Step 4. Select your verification level. Start with basic verification, then proceed to advanced for higher limits. Step 5. Enter your personal information including full legal name, date of birth, and residential address. Step 6. Upload a clear photo of your government-issued ID. Ensure all corners are visible and text is legible. Step 7. Complete facial verification. Position your face in the frame and follow the on-screen instructions. Step 8. Submit proof of address if required. Use a recent utility bill or bank statement from the last 3 months. Step 9. Wait for verification approval. This usually takes minutes, but can take up to 10 days during busy periods. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.